Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody was watching my penny drop, a game that I put a door on, and they were questioning how it went together, and I guess that's a good question. So here's the end of the box, and there's your penny drop opening. Tell you what, we're gonna put all these in the center and kind of work with this. So this is gonna be your door, or your opening for your door. And this will be the first piece. That piece fits inside there perfectly. So that's your first piece. This is your second piece. So let's get this out of the way. This is glued on top of it. So let's do this. Let's turn this one a light blue, and let's turn this one a light, well, you know what? I'm going to use a Smart Fill tool so we can tell the difference with the hole. We're going to make this one a light blue, and we're going to make this one a yellow. So this piece, let's put this back in the center. You can, I lost my outline. Let's do this. Let's Control G and group that together. Control G and group that together. Let's put this out of the way. Let's put this in the center. So this is the smaller one. You can see it's 1.5. This one's 1.64. So you're going to put that one is going to be, that's equal to the wood. It makes it flush. Then this one is glued on top of it. Let's put it to the back of the page. And you can see what's happening. So the yellow is stopping the door from going in, and the blue is stopping the door from going around. Then you're going to bring in this piece, and you want to glue these two pieces together pre-hand. Well, you can glue it all together because it's going to come out of there. And then on the inside, let's make this one, let's Smart Fill this in pink. And then we're going to hit center of the page. This is how the mechanism works. Right now, so this is, I'm going to put it to the back of the page again. So that's what you're seeing. So the purple is keeping the box from coming out. Okay? So you would put all that together and then glue the handle, the little turning, and you could change this. It fits together really well. But you could make it bigger or smaller. You'll just glue these two pieces into these two pieces, sticking outward. And just, so this is, there's 3 pieces of wood, so this is equal to 3 pieces of wood. Let's do the, we're using 1/8 inch plywood is my recommendation, birch plywood. So it's 0.39. So let's get out the calculator. Let's just show you. It's 0.125 times 3 is 0.37. So they're a little bit longer than it needs to be because you want a little bit of wiggle room. You don't want it real tight. But you're just going to glue this into that spot. And then this is how it works. I'm going to grab this piece. I'll tell you what, for a second, I'm going to move this piece out of the way. I'm going to grab our purple piece and I'm going to rotate it, and you can see the line. And when it gets there, the door's open because it's out of the blue area. It's not stopping it. So there's only that much of a turn, 45 degrees. Let's put it back to 0. And then now it's in the lock position because these 2 tabs won't let it come out of the hole. If you haven't downloaded this file, this is on my Facebook page, and I should have already had that up. Under Corel File Share. Just go to Corel, one word, Corel File Share. It's under the File section, and we'll just bring it up. Just go to Files, and there it is right there, penny drop door. There's a I've got one that has 2 parts. I've got the original. This is by far the best because it holds the dice in while you're playing it and while you're transporting it. And if you're not a member, just ask to be a member. I let almost everybody in. I've got a couple people that have way too many pages that they're joined to that I'm not going to allow. And I've had just a little bit of trouble with people, but I monitor it every day. So that piece just glues into that piece, and then it becomes all one unit because the little tabs won't let it go in, and it's stuck because these little tabs are all the way around. Anyway, I hope that made sense. Thank you for watching.